Timing is everything when growing cucumbers. Getting it right can mean the difference between a thriving patch and a disappointing season. Cucumbers are sensitive plants, and their success depends on when you start. Plant too early, and cold nights can kill your seedlings before they even get a chance to grow. Even a brief dip in temperature can set your plants back or wipe them out entirely. But if you plant too late, you'll miss out on a full harvest. The growing season slips away quickly, and cucumbers need time to mature and produce their best fruit. The window for planting is narrow, so planning ahead is crucial. Mark your calendar and keep an eye on the weather. Cucumbers crave warmth and sunlight. Think Mediterranean summer. They flourish when days are long, bright, and hot. Always choose the sunniest, most sheltered spot in your garden. A location protected from cold winds will help your cucumbers grow strong and healthy. Frost is a cucumber's worst enemy. Even a light frost can destroy young plants. One chilly night can undo weeks of careful preparation. Be patient. Wait until all danger of frost is past before planting. It's better to wait a few extra days than to risk losing your crop. Warm soil is essential. At least 15 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Fahrenheit, is the minimum for seeds to sprout and thrive. But for the best results, aim for soil temperatures closer to 21 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Fahrenheit. This gives your cucumbers the cozy start they need. Cold, damp soil can rot seeds or stunt seedlings, leading to patchy growth and weak plants. Don't guess. Use a soil thermometer to check conditions. This simple tool can save you from disappointment. Consistently warm air and soil, plus plenty of sunshine, signal to cucumbers that it's time to thrive. These are the cues your plants are waiting for. Rushing the process risks your entire crop. Impatience can lead to disappointment and wasted effort. Remember, a little patience now means a bigger, better harvest later. The reward is worth the wait. Get the timing right, and you're already halfway to enjoying crisp, homegrown cucumbers bursting with flavor. Before sowing any seeds, it's crucial to check if your soil is warm enough for cucumbers to thrive. Use your hand to feel the earth, or, for more accuracy, a soil thermometer. The right temperature is key for healthy germination and strong early growth. Cucumbers demand rich, well-drained soil packed with plenty of organic matter. The soil should be loose and crumbly, allowing roots to spread easily and water to drain freely, preventing rot. Dig in generous amounts of compost or well-rotted manure to boost fertility and help the soil retain moisture. This not only feeds your plants but also improves soil structure for the season ahead. Know your local climate. Timing is everything. In warm zones, you can plant as early as March or April, taking advantage of the longer growing season and early warmth. In cooler areas, patience pays off. Wait until late May or even June, when the soil has truly warmed and the risk of frost has passed, to give your cucumbers the best start. Don't be swayed by what others are doing. Every garden is unique. Pay attention to your own microclimate and trust your observations, keeping notes from year to year. In colder regions, consider starting cucumbers in a greenhouse or under cloches for extra reliability and an earlier harvest. Consult local gardening guides or chat with experienced gardeners in your area to pinpoint the best planting times and learn from their successes. With the right patch, careful preparation, and perfect timing, you'll set the stage for a thriving, productive cucumber crop that rewards your efforts all season long. In cooler climates, start cucumbers indoors 3-4 weeks before your last frost. Use small pots with quality seed compost. Sow 1 or 2 seeds per pot, on their side, about 1 centimeter deep. Keep pots warm, around 21 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and well lit. Remove weaker seedlings if both sprout. Avoid leggy growth by providing enough light. Supplement with a grow light if needed. Keep compost moist but not soggy. Harden off seedlings by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions a week before planting out. Strong indoor starts mean earlier, healthier harvests. Prefer direct sowing? Wait until soil is at least 15 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and frost is gone. Prepare mounds or shallow drills. Sow seeds 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch deep. Water gently after sowing to kickstart germination. Space vining types 90 centimeters, 3 feet apart. Bush types 60 centimeters, 2 feet apart. Good spacing prevents disease and boosts yields. Keep the seedbed moist until seedlings emerge, usually 7-10 days. Thin seedlings to the strongest plants once they have true leaves. Proper spacing and moisture are key for healthy cucumber starts. Once your cucumber plants are established, they thrive best with consistent, deep watering, especially during the crucial fruiting stage. Cucumbers are made mostly of water, so keeping the soil evenly moist is essential for healthy growth and juicy, flavorful fruit. Avoid letting the soil dry out completely, as this can lead to bitter cucumbers or poor yields. Mulch generously with compost or straw to help conserve precious moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weeds that compete for nutrients. A thick layer of mulch also reduces the need for frequent watering and keeps the roots cool during hot summer days. Support vining cucumber varieties with sturdy trellises or garden netting. This not only saves valuable garden space, but also keeps the fruit clean, straight, and easy to harvest. Trellising improves air circulation, which helps prevent disease. Keep a close eye out for common pests like aphids and cucumber beetles. Encourage beneficial insects such as ladybugs, or remove pests by hand to protect your plants. Early detection and intervention can make a big difference in your harvest. Prevent powdery mildew and other fungal diseases by spacing your plants well, ensuring good airflow, and always watering at the base rather than overhead. Wet leaves can invite disease, so aim to keep foliage dry whenever possible. Remove any diseased or yellowing leaves promptly to stop the spread of problems and keep your cucumber plants vigorous and productive throughout the season. To recap, plant at the right time, enrich your soil with compost, choose your sowing method, space seedlings properly, water consistently, mulch, and provide sturdy support. Each step builds a strong foundation for your cucumber crop. By following these steps, you'll set yourself up for a bountiful harvest of crisp, delicious cucumbers, perfect for salads, pickling, or enjoying straight from the vine. There's truly nothing like the taste of a fresh cucumber from your own garden. Happy growing, and enjoy the fruits of your labor.